Introduction. Images enhance the visual appeal of a website and help convey complex information. HTML5 provides a simple way to embed images into a web page using the image tag. Basics of HTML5 image tag. The HTML5 image tag is a void or empty tag, meaning it doesn't require a closing tag. The common attributes of the image tag are src, alt, and width and height. The src attribute specifies the source file of the image. The alt attribute provides alternative text when the image cannot be loaded and is important for accessibility. The width and height attributes are used to specify the dimensions of the image. Responsive images. In HTML5, images can be made responsive to fit the screen size using CSS properties. Tips and tricks. Always include an alt attribute as it improves accessibility and boosts SEO rankings. Use descriptive file names for your images for SEO benefits and easy location. Use the correct image format, JPEGs for photographs, PNGs for images with transparent backgrounds. Prevent image distortion by maintaining the aspect ratio. Common error-prone cases and how to avoid them. Ensure the proper path is specified in the src attribute. Always include an alt attribute to improve accessibility and SEO. Use the appropriate image format, JPEG, PNGIF, etc. Avoid using large image files as they can slow down your web page's loading time. Conclusion. Understanding and correctly using the HTML5 image tag is fundamental in web development. Adhering to the best practices can effectively enhance your website's visual appeal and user experience.